Hi, this is Hayley from AE Academy and AE Recruitment. Some of you will know that a couple of weeks ago I advertised something called AE Marketplace. Now this was an initiative to try and help job seekers get back into the workplace when companies, employers are ready to recruit again. Now we received over 300 applications on day one, which was absolutely phenomenal. However, it also highlighted another issue, which I think has been there for quite some time, but recruiters, myself included, it's been very difficult to put that across to people, how to shine out of 300. So what I've done is put together a free course for anyone and everyone who wants to sort out their CV summary. So I just needed to tag a little bit on the end here. For those of you that I've already been in touch with and we've had a conversation, your profiles will be going onto the website by the end of this week. And for the rest of you, there's two options. So if you would like to book a call with me, if you've received an email from me already, there is a link in there to book a one-on-one call with me. If not, this actually works out really well for you because I've uploaded a free course of how to fix your summary. So it's just a summary that's going to go onto Marketplace. You can also use that summary for your CV as well. But that I shall post a link here in just a second. And I look forward to seeing you over there.